Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to learn about includes and excludes notes from ICD-10 guidelines. So, let's start with includes notes first. This note appears immediately under a 3-character code title to further define, or give examples of, the content of the category. For example, the code K25, which is for gastric ulcer, includes other definition as mentioned, that is, erosion of stomach, pylorus ulcer, stomach ulcer, or peptic ulcer. This means, for all these definitions, the code should be K25 only. Now, let's understand excludes notes. The ICD-10 has 2 types of excludes notes. Each type of note has a different definition for use, but they are all similar in that they indicate that codes excluded from each other are independent of each other. To put it in simple words, the terms under excludes notes are not included in the main term. It is just opposite of the includes notes. Let's take up the first one, excludes 1 notes. A type 1 excludes note is a pure excludes note. It means not coded here. An excludes 1 note indicates that the code excluded should never be used at the same time of the code above the excludes 1 note. An excludes 1 is used when 2 conditions cannot occur together, such as a congenital form versus an acquired form of the same condition. For example, under the code K51.4, which is for inflammatory polyps of colon, clearly excludes adenomatous polyp of colon, polyposis of colon, and polyps of colon. Note that for each exclude note definition there is a separate code, which is not the same under includes notes. Let's take up the second one, excludes 2 notes. A type 2 excludes note represents not included here. An excludes 2 note indicates that the condition excluded is not part of the condition represented by the code, but a patient may have both conditions at the same time. When an excludes 2 note appears under a code, it is acceptable to use both the code and the excluded code together, when appropriate. For example, under the code J37.1, which is for chronic laryngotracheitis, but the 2 other conditions mentioned under excludes 2 notes, namely, acute laryngotracheitis and acute tracheitis, are acceptable with J37.1 when appropriate. So, that's all about includes and excludes notes. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of new video uploaded in this channel. Thank you again.